Hello, Poppy. Where did you want to meet again?
The Ruins by Debenhams?
Oh, the faces.
Yeah, those things. The two faces in Bedford were sculpted by artist Rick Kirby. They stand at 5 metres tall and were put up on the 12th of December 2009.
Its intricate design of lacing joints evokes Bedford's history of manufacturing lace making and also represents Bedford's ethnic diversity. It's had mixed reviews from the public, some admiring its bold statement and others saying it's a shame they don't have happier. What do you think the statue represents?
I'm assuming it represents like people communicating, like different people communicating and talking to each other and meeting each other, I guess.
And you like the sculpture?
I do like it, yeah. I think it's very, very interesting, very different, very eye-catching. Like, I've not seen anything like it anywhere else, so that's pretty good, I think.
It's a wonderful sculpture. I mean, what inspired him, I can't say, only the artist can tell you that. But I think perhaps he felt that more people ought to come together as a community. And so doing a huge sculpture like this might do just that.
When I saw it, I was driving by and I almost stopped with excitement actually at seeing it. And then I tried to work out whether it was a male or a female. I couldn't really decide. So it's good to be able to stand and come and have a look at it closely.
What do you think it represents?
Well, I understand it represents different cultures in Bedford and the history of Bedford with its brickmaking and its lace making. So the two are combined in the shapes on the side of the figures.
Do you think it represents Bedford well?
Insofar as any sculpture can represent a town, I think it's a good effort to do so, yes, especially if you know a little bit about the history of Bedford.
Yeah, I think it's good. I've noticed it like a number of times.
And do you think it suits Bedford?
Yeah, in a way. It's an old city with lots of things interwoven, kind of. That's my take.
To be quite honest, I never really looked at it. It's something I pass every day. I've lived in Bedford my entire life, so I don't really look at it, but I've always noticed it.
What do you think it represents?
I've always looked at it as something that doesn't have any gender. There is no norm for it, but it's just two people who found love.
Do you think it's historical or futuristic?
I'd say it's more futuristic. It's got metal in it, and it is hollow. It's not something that fits in with the general antique of Bedford.
What do you think the piece represents?
I think the piece represents different communities coming together in the town.
And do you like it?
I do, I think it's lovely actually. Yeah.
Do you like the sculpture?
Yeah, I do actually. Yeah, I do. It stands out.
What do you think it represents?
I just think it represents, well, I don't actually know. I suppose it represents acceptance and equality and diversity and just people coming together.
So love it or hate it, it's ours and it's here to stay. It's a bold statement for what's very normal and brings life into nature.
Encouraging creative thought and critique. And of course,
a great place to meet.